In this video, you're going to learn how to create a YouTube banner and YouTube thumbnail. But this video is going to be separated into two different parts. So the first one, that's this particular one, is going to be teaching you how to create your YouTube banner using a particular editing app that is very common and easy to use. So yes, in this app, which is Canva, yes, we're going to be using Canva to create a YouTube banner for your video, for your channel rather. So yeah, the YouTube Canva is very easy, and sometimes for beginners, if you want to create a YouTube banner, you just need a template, because this app gives you different templates for you to use for your YouTube banner. So you don't need to start creating from the beginning. But if you want to create from the beginning, if you want to create your own design for your channel, you can actually do that. But this particular app is the one that is easy for beginners to create their banners using already existing template. So for the size of the banner, you're going to be seeing all of that in the video. So automatically, since you're going to be using Canva, once you just type YouTube banner there, it's going to generate the template there and the actual size for YouTube banner. So but also you can see the size on your YouTube studio. When you want to upload it, they will usually tell you the size that can be uploaded there as your banner. So you're going to be learning all of these things in the video. So if this is what you'd love to watch, consider watching the video to the end, okay? And don't go anywhere. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe if you're yet to. Share the video to anyone that'll be interested in content like this. And yeah, let us dive into the video. Hi guys, welcome to Alice Diaries, where faith, fun, and information unite. You're also going to learn how to upload the banners on your YouTube channel. Yes, so sometimes if you're uploading it on your mobile phone, there's always a difficulties there when you upload it, like in a way that it has different section of viewing it: computer, mobile, and I think TV. Yes, TV. So but you are using your mobile to upload it. Sometimes all the parts, after designing it, all the parts when you upload it is not going to show. It's just going to pick a particular section in the banner that you upload, and you don't want that. So this video is going to teach you how to upload it in order for it to align with the design you've created, so that people viewing it with their mobile phone will be able to see the entire design you've done for your banner. So guys, first thing you want is to ensure that your data is on, because you need data to access the Canva app. And if you don't have the app on your phone, make sure you go to Play Store to download it. So so this is Canva. Here we are. So I want to start the designing of the YouTube banner. So this is what it's looking like as you log into the app. You can see from these headings, you can see different. So this is what we are going with, the YouTube banner. So I told you that this app already gives you an existing template for it, whether you are using the pro version or the free version. So this is the free version. It's going to bring out the other templates that you can use, and all you just need to do is to choose the one you want that you think will suit your channel. Okay, you can see different ones, and you can see the ones with the pro are the ones that you have to subscribe to access them. Okay, so let me go with the one that I use for this channel. Let's go with this. So this is the one we're going to be working with. Yeah, so this is the one. So this part here, you can see you replace it with your picture or any picture that you want to use for your banner. So I'm going to replace it with any picture, any random picture, just any random picture. So guys, I've successfully picked the picture I want to replace the other one with. So the next thing I want to do is to write the name of my channel. That's this one. I'm going to change it to the name of my channel. So you do the same, change it to the name of your channel, Alice Diaries. And you can decide to change the font if you want it to be like this, bold. Let's leave it at bold. Yeah, so test, sorry, back. So you can see you tap on the text itself so that you edit it. If you want to change the font size, if you want to change the font. You can see. So I'm just gonna go with this one. No, yeah, I'm gonna go with this one. Then the style, whatever style you want it, you explore that as well. Then the size of it, you reduce, you increase. I like the size to be 120. Then the color, this is the color. If you want to change the color, but I'm okay with this color. If you want to change the color, you can change it. So this is the effects. The effects, like you can see, if you want to change how it looks, but I go with this. Let's go with this one. Then if you still want to increase the thickness, all this one you just explore it. Then the color, if you want to change the color, again back to this. Yes, so like that. So you can see all done. Then this part, food vlogger, you change it to the niche you are doing. So I'm going to change it to lifestyle, and let's just put lifestyle there, lifestyle vlog. So just put anything related to your niche basically. So let's just put lifestyle vlog. So guys, now that I've changed it to a lifestyle vlog, if I want to change the color, I can change the color. So I want to put the same color that is with the one on the thumbnail for this video, but you can just explain, since this is just an explanation. I can just go around with any color just to you know for you guys to basically understand it. Yeah, so this part, subscribe, you can see the arrow of the hand. You can decide to adjust it. Yeah, you can try to adjust it. You can see if you want to drag it, this thing is not together. So you have to drag this one, you have to drag it up. Anyhow you want to do it, just do it. Drag until it suits your part. Then this one, you put it back on it. Then you're good to go. You drag this one back too. So you can see this arrow turning is the one you can use to rotate it. Then this other one is the one you can use to drag it up. You can see. So let's see. I think it's no. Let's reduce it. Bring it down a bit. Okay, I think it's better now. So now back to the notification bell. You drag it closer. Then you reduce the size. So you reduce the size. You reduce it. Hope it's not too small. Okay. Then you bring it closer. Bring it closer to it. Yeah, I think it's too small. Let me increase it a bit. Yeah, I think it's better now. Then adjust it. Okay, adjust it a bit. This thing, you have to really take your time to do this. You really have to take your time. So I think it's looking better now. Then the next thing you want to do, like I said, I want to make it look like the one on the thumbnail. So this part, if you tap on it, you can see that you can change the color to any color you want. Let's assume I change it to white. But you can see I change it to white, our notification bell disappeared. So let's change the color of the the notification bell before we change it to white. So but if you want to reverse this work you've done, you can press this arrow, tap on this arrow here to take you back. Then tap on this notification bell. Then to change the color, let's see if it's going to change. Okay, yeah. Okay, it has changed now. Then you can now go back to this one to change it to white. Yeah, you get it? So I hope you understand. No, not all. Just this one. This one. So make sure you know the one you're tapping on so that it won't change all your work. So you can see this is better. This looks better now. So the other ones too, you can decide to change the color. If you want to change it, you can see, you can explore just anyhow you want it. But let me leave it at this one. Then this other designs too there, you can decide to change the color. Just explore and do whatever you want to do like that. So you can see how easy it is to create your YouTube banner with Canva. You just need to get a template and go with the type of template you want to use for your design and how it suits your niche. So guys, we already have this, and the next thing you want to do is to save it. Yeah, this save arrow. So you save as image, and it's preparing your design, and it will save directly to your phone gallery. So the next thing to do is to go to your YouTube, then your YouTube studio to upload the banner. So remember I said that sometimes when you upload the banner like this, it's going to cut out some parts. So you're definitely going to see that. So let's head over to YouTube Studio. So guys, this is the YouTube Studio. The next thing you want to do is to go to customization. So this is your customization. Then you can see the profile. The first thing there is the banner image, and you see the size. Remember I talked about the size for best result on all device. That's for it to have the same result for all device. Use an image that's at least 2400 2048 by 1152 pixels and 6 MB or less. So let's apply that now. Now this is the one we saved. So you come to this part, then done. So you can see what I said the other time, that it has different viewing. For if you want to view it on desktop, then you can see the viewable on all device. Then the other viewable on TV is the large one, but this one viewable on all device. You can see the demarcation. So you can see that everything everything is not within that part that it says viewable on all device. So the next thing we want to do now is we want to go and make some adjustment to this problem. So we head back to Canva. So here we are back to Canva. We need to start making some adjustments to make it fit the viewable on all device. So that means you have to start reducing you have to start reducing a lot of things. Like you make it really small, you reduce it, you get, so you do all this so it can align with that part that says viewable on all device. So now that we've reduced the size, we want to go back to try it again. So you really have to take your time to do this. So this is the new one. Let us see if it's going to fit in. Then if it doesn't, we'll make another adjustment. Can you guys see what I'm seeing? So can you guys see that the viewable on all device is showing visibly your written what's it called, the name, the picture, and the niche, the lifestyle vlog itself. So you can just tick this as the one that is viewable for all the device. At least this is the main thing, is that they are seeing the name of your channel and what your channel is about. That's the niche, and the subscribe and notification bell. So this is the way you upload it, okay? Because a lot of people might not know this. They might be experiencing this and they are wondering what's it, or some of them might not even take note and they'll just upload it like that. And when they go to their YouTube page, they notice that the banner part is not showing the complete design that they did. So let me save this now and then go and view it on the YouTube for you guys to see. So remember, when you save, you have to publish. That's when you are saving it, uploading it completely. If you just tap on done and you go without publishing, it's not going to save, okay? So now that it has been published, you go to the channel so that we'll see what it's looking like on the banner there. Can you guys see? Can you see what it is looking like? So you can see now we have a banner showing Alice Diaries with the lifestyle vlog and subscribe. So anything you want to write on it, just go with it. If you want to inform your subscribers how often you upload your videos, if you upload videos Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday, write it there. Anyone, just make sure that you make adjustments like this when you're done with your design before you upload it, because if you use the main major one, it's not going to upload, okay? So this is how you can do this to upload your YouTube banner on YouTube. If you have any question for me, let me know in the comment section. Yes, and I'll do well to respond to your question. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're yet to, and yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. For now, stay blessed, okay? Make sure you turn on your notification bell so when I post the next video on how to create your YouTube thumbnail, you'll be notified. You'll be the first to get notified, okay? Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye, stay blessed.